Having trouble with sales figures not matching between your point of sale and Unity Enterprise? This mismatch is often due to unsynced data between your terminal and Unity Enterprise. On the point of sale login screen, locate the springboard menu icon in the top left corner. Enter your access code or scan your fingerprint. Look for the System Support option within the menus. Click the button labeled Upload Sales. This will trigger a synchronization of all your data with Unity Enterprise. Troubleshooting. Further errors. If the upload fails, check your internet connection for stability. A weak or unstable connection can disrupt the sync process. If you encounter error messages even with a good internet connection, please log a call with our call center for further assistance. They will be happy to help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the discrepancy between your point of sale and Unity Enterprise sales figures.